Hello everybody. Today we will learn about simple future tense and future continuous tense. So first of all, let's understand what's simple future tense. So first of all, we will learn or we will understand what is simple future tense. Simple future tense tells us about an action or situation that will happen in the future. कि भविष्य में क्या होने वाला है. भविष्य अभी भी हो सकता है, शाम को, कल, परसों या ईयर आफ्टर. So I will become a dancer when I grow up. I will read all the books that are there in our library. I will drink a coffee in the evening. So all these three sentences are in a simple future tense. कि मैं बड़े होकर क्या बनूंगी? I will become a dancer. मैं अपनी लाइब्रेरी की सारी किताबें पढ़ना चाहती हूँ. सो जो मैं करना चाहती हूँ, जो मैं बनना चाहती हूँ, वो हम सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में यूज करेंगे और उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं will. तो इसके भी कुछ रूल्स हैं that I'm going to tell you in next slides. Now see. Will and shall, these are the two important helping verbs which are used to form the future tense. Shall is used with the first person. First person means I. I am the first person, singular or plural we. तो we और I के साथ हम shall लगाते हैं. But when we are firm, when we are determined to do something, तो तब हम उस will भी use करते हैं. So let's see few examples here. Structure of simple future tense: shall indicating strong determination, subject plus shall plus verb. We shall play. Used with first person singular or plural. Okay. Now next is simple future tense: subject plus will or shall plus verb. I will go to Thailand. Bare form means the root form of the verb, base form of the word. I will go to Thailand. It is a simple future tense. मैं Thailand जाऊंगी. Subject plus will not plus won't. ये हमारा लगता है जब हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. नॉट कब आता है? आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. नॉट आता है जब हम कोई भी नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. आई विल नॉट गो टू थाईलैंड. मैं थाईलैंड नहीं जाऊंगी. Now the same sentence, if we are forming it into an interrogative sentence, then we will use will you go to Thailand? Will you go to Thailand? ये interrogative sentence बन गया है future tense का. Now is used when we are promising something, when we are predicting something, or when we are planning something. Let's see these examples. Examples of these: promise, I will learn to play golf. Prediction, will it rain today? Plan कर रहे हैं जब, Sita will go to market on Wednesday. She is planning. Okay, so these are the sentences of simple future tense. I hope it is clear to you. Now we will learn about future continuous tense. Now continuous tense, continuous पहले भी बताया आपको, जब भी continuous आएगा, whether it is present continuous, whether it is past continuous or future continuous, ing form of the verb will be used. Here in future continuous we will use subject plus will plus be plus ing. Verb में ing लगेगा. So I will be singing in the concert tomorrow. I is subject, will be used and verb sing के साथ ing. So I will be singing in the concert tomorrow. If we have to make this sentence into a negative, then we will use I will not be singing in the concert tomorrow. Not आ गया उसमें. It is future continuous tense. Now अगर इसी को हमने इंट्रोगेटिव बनाना है, then we will say, will you be singing in the concert tomorrow? And then we have to put the question mark after that. Will you be singing in the concert tomorrow? Now, to use the future continuous tense, you will need to use the phrase will be. Will be हम जरूर use करेंगे when we are using the future continuous tense. So, will be used along with the present participle of the verb and ing form of the verb will be. I will be celebrating my birthday in a big hotel. So, will be celebrating. This is called as the future continuous tense. I will be going to Goa. This is Goa. I will be going to Goa this winter break. So, the future continuous tense is a verb tense that indicates that something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. It is formed by using the construction will be plus ing form of the verb. Now next, examples of future continuous tense. The baby will be sleeping in the afternoon. Will be, so rahi hogi. So the baby will be sleeping in the afternoon. I will be seeing you this time next month. She won't be watching. Now won't is the short form of will not. She won't be watching the news at 8. She will be traveling. She will be studying. It will be drinking. Look at the formation of the sentence. You will be waiting for me when I arrive in the Paris. In an hour, I will still be ironing my clothes. I will be helping. I won't be cleaning the kitchen tomorrow in the afternoon. Now let's see the construction of future continuous tense again. Affirmative means होता है positive. Okay, positive sentences के लिए हमने देखेंगे I first person, you is the second person, we is the plural of the first person, third person. ठीक है, ये सबके साथ में हमने यूज करेंगे will be and ing form of the verb. Will be plus ये short form है I'll. Will be playing. नेगेटिव में हम उसमें नॉट लगाएंगे. विल नॉट बी प्लेइंग, वोंट बी प्लेइंग. क्वेश्चन बनाते समय will I be playing, will you be playing, will we be playing? So all these will be used in an interrogative sentence. पर will हम पहले लगाएंगे और लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाएंगे. इस बात का जरूर ध्यान रखेंगे while forming the future or future continuous tense. Thank you very much, children. I hope this you have understood this topic. And if you have not understood, watch the video again. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.